Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Calculus Guide. In this series we explore limits, derivatives and integrals step by step, like a dictionary of rules. Each lesson or this series focuses on a group of related functions. And in this lesson we have product rule or differentiation, and we have 5 examples to solve. Let's start by solving the first one. Remember what was the product rule. If we have a function such as a multiplication of two functions f times g, then the derivative of this function will be f prime times g and plus f times g prime. This is our rule, and we have here two polynomial functions, first polynomial function and the second polynomial function. So we will use this rule while differentiating the given function. Okay, now let's start working on it. First, the derivative of x cubed plus x times x squared minus 2 and plus derivative of x squared minus 2 times x cubed plus x. Now, here we have a polynomial function, and while differentiating a polynomial function, we differentiate all terms one by one, and each term here is a power function. Remember the derivative of a power function. If we have a power function as x to the n, we take the exponent as multiplication to the front and n times, and then we subtract 1 from the exponent. So the derivative of x to the n will be n times x to the n minus 1. So we will use this rule while differentiating these parts. The derivative of x cubed, we first take 3 as multiplication here, 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 1 and plus, while differentiating x, we know that x vanishes, so instead of x we will write here 1, then times x squared minus 2 stays same, and okay, we have a differentiation here. The derivative of x squared, take the 2 here, take the exponent as multiplication, 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1, and minus the derivative of 2 is 0 because 2 is a constant, 0, times x cubed plus x, and 3 times x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 2 plus 2 times x to the power of 1, and we don't need the power to write here, minus 0 times x cubed plus x, and this is the answer of the first derivative. Okay, now the second one. We will use the same rule again. First, x to the power of 4 times 3x derivative plus x cubed minus 1 over 2 x squared plus x to the power of 4 times plus 3x times x cubed minus 1 over 2 x squared derivative. Okay, let's take derivative of x to the power of 4. We will take the exponent as coefficient here, and the derivative becomes 4 times x to the power of 4 minus 1 plus the derivative of 3x. Here, while taking the derivative, x vanishes and the derivative becomes 3 times x cubed minus 1 over 2x squared, and okay, plus x to the power of 4 plus 3x, and the derivative of x cubed Okay, the exponent will come as coefficient 3 times, and we subtract 1 from the exponent, minus 1 over 2 times, and then we will take the exponent as coefficient 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1. So 4 times x cubed plus 3 times x cubed minus 1 over 2 x squared plus x to the power of 4 times plus 3x times 3 times x squared minus and 1 over 2 and 2 will cancel each other. This will be x. Okay. The answer is this. And this third problem. Okay. The derivative of 2x cubed minus 5x times 2x plus 7 plus the derivative of 2x plus 7 times 2x cubed minus 5x. Now, while taking the derivative, constants doesn't change how the derivative works. So, we will not touch the constant here. 2 will stay here, and 3 will, the exponent will come as coefficient 3 times x to the 3 minus 1 minus constant will not affect the derivative, so x vanishes here. We will have 5 here times 2x plus 7 plus the derivative of 2x is 2 and the derivative of 7, since 7 is a constant, derivative of 7 is 0 times 2x cubed minus 5x. And the derivative becomes 2 times 3 is 6 times x to the power of 2 minus 5 times 2x plus 7 plus 2 times, okay, 2 times 2x cubed minus 5x. So the answer is this. And the fourth one, okay, again, the derivative of 1 over 3 times x cubed minus x times x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus derivative of x squared plus 4x minus 1 times 1 over 3x cubed minus x. Again, if we take the derivative of a polynomial function, we will take the derivatives term by term. This is our first rule. And also, while taking derivative, if we have a constant, constants will not change how the derivative works. Constants just stay alone for the right. Okay, we will differentiate this part. We will write constant here, and then since this is a power function, the exponent will come here as a coefficient. Then we write here 3, and then we will subtract 1 from the coefficient, minus the derivative of x is 1 times x squared plus 4x minus 1 plus the derivative of this part, derivative of x squared. The exponent will come here as coefficient 2 times, and we will subtract 1 from the exponent, plus the derivative of 4x is 4 and derivative of 1 is 0 times 1 over 3x cubed minus x. Okay. And 1 over 3 and 3 will cancel each other. Then the derivative will be x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 4x minus 1 and plus 2 times x plus 4 times 1 over 3 times x cubed minus x. And this is the answer. And the last problem. We have square root here. If we have a derivative of square root, we first rewrite it in power function form. since we know to take the derivative of power function, we should write this in power function form. Square root of x is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2, and cube root of x is x to the power of 1 over 3. And let's write it again, x to the power of 1 over 2 minus x times x to the power of 1 over 3 times plus 2. Okay, when taking the derivative, we will use product rule again. And first, derivative of minus x derivative times x to the power 1 over 3 plus 2 and plus x to 1 over 3 plus 2 prime times x to 1 over 2 minus x. Okay, we will take the derivatives term by term. Here we have the exponent and we will take it as coefficient, and this is equal to 1 over 2 times x to the power 1 over 2. We will subtract 1 from the exponent minus the derivative of x is 1 times x to the power of 1 over 3 plus 2 plus and x to the power of 1. We first take the exponent here as multiplication. 1 over 3 times x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1, and the derivative of 2 is 0 times x to 1 over 2 minus x, and 1 over 2 square root of x minus 1 times cube root of x plus 2 plus 1 over 3 times x to the power minus 2 over 3 times square root of x minus x, and we can write this part as 1 over 3 cube root of x square. Okay, then this is the answer. See you in the next video.